All right, so Scotty and I, we're back here on Tim's Cougar.
This has been a nightmare to try and just get this one.
And Tim was here the other day when we were in. You got it.
Oh my God, finally.
We went and borrowed, because I totally forgot to bring mine, like I said I would. Went and borrowed from Wick. Shout out to Wick.
Thank you, sir.
Zimmerman Loaner Tool. 1/2-inch drive, line wrench style crow's foot. Fun! So now Scotty can finish up these trans lines. Hooray! That makes Scotty happy camper?
Yes. I've only been trying to get them done for how long?
Oh, wow. So, Scotty gets that done. We probably could finish up any of our seals and stuff that we need to do down here on our trans. Because I brought the pan, Scotty.
Oh, nice.
It's in the back of my truck. So we might be able to finish getting the trans back together today. There's one thing Scotty loves. How is it? Oh, look at you. You got it.
Shoving my hands up in dark places trying to find a nut.
Remember, old girl says you have unchristian-like hands.
I do. And
we're good. Scott, you can gingerly pull out your lines now. Huzzah!
Put the light back up there.
Just give me the light. Yes, sir. There you go. You're gonna have to come down on the front, and they're dripping a little bit.
No, I know what I need to do.
Are they hanging on the?
Well, they're going onto the pig mat, so I'm not worried.
Yeah.
I need to disconnect the clamps so that I can twist them a little bit more. Yep.
All right. Well, we'll check back in here with Scotty momentarily. Good job, Scotty.
And my favorite rags ever.
You're on.
I do just something about the yellow ones, dude.
Yeah, they're the best ones. I buy the same ones from Costco. I've got thousands of them. I wash them. They don't look pretty anymore, but they do their job.
Yep.
Of course, you don't look pretty anymore either, but you do your job, so.
I look damn good for my age.
That's the best looking 79-year-old woman I've ever seen.
Right? That's what I'm talking about.
All right, so Scotty and I, we're making a executive decision. Well, this is going to make changing these out easier anyway. We're going to let the sway bar down off of the chassis.
Yep.
Off the subframe. And it's dripping training fluid, I think, right on my phone. I don't know. So, anyway, we're going to let them down. So,
because if I don't, I have to bend the transmission lines to put the new ones in, and it's like, nope,
yeah,
I'm not. No, not at all.
We don't want to mess with that. So we're going to let this down. I'm going to get you some fresh bushings for these.
That should be 1/2 inch.
Pretty straightforward anyway. So bushings are dirt cheap. So it's going to be a part anyway. We'll pop some fresh bushings in there. You know, no additional labor charge obviously because we have to drop them either way. So everybody wins, right, Scotty?
It's always a win-win. Always, always, always.
Always.
Well,
forever, ever.
Forever, ever.
Anyway, so that's getting handled. All right, we'll check back in a moment. When the old lines are out, we'll put the new lines next to it, mock them up, make sure we're good. And then... sorry. Oh boy, Scotty's on one day. Because it's Friday. Guys got the lines out. He's got them drained. A little bit left. Carefully. Careful. Don't make a mess.
That's what we're avoiding. Well, attempting to.
Famous last words here. Probably jinxed you. Alright, old line off. Both old lines off. We can just go right to the garbage. Rag. Yes, sir. Rag. And a Scotty. Alright. Escorting those to the garbage can. Cheers.
Cheers.
Nice work. All right. I'm going to go see what we got in here. All right. Did you get to pull the bar down or no? You didn't? No. Oh, well. Disregard what I said about the bar then, Tim. I guess Scotty's a contortionist or something.
But I will
To put the new ones in?
recommend putting new ones on.
Okay.
Like, legitimately.
We'll just get him some. It's 2 seconds. We're already going to be down here. No big deal.
So, but yeah, I would definitely recommend it. I've got them loosened up a little bit, but
Gotcha. So
that's about it.
we'll just swap them out next time we're over. I'll get a set. They're cheap, easy. Cheap, easy, painless, baby. All right. So those go to the back side. This
I'm gonna
goes
wash
to
my
the front
hands up.
side.
I'd like to at least keep these as clean as possible.
Yeah, wash your hands, you filthy animal.
Right?
Scotty, what you doing, buddy?
Putting in the new.
Do you need me to...
No, because it's literally all me. No,
I know, but
I got
I'm
it.
just
No, I got it.
supporting.
No, no, can't do it.
Fine! I don't want to help you anyway.
These are just so tricky to get into place.
Shout out to Alan, by the way, at Mustang Country.
Oh God, yes, Alan, thank you.
For hooking us up. I think we were able to get Tim a better deal than anywhere he would have been able to order them from. Because, you know.
Did we tell you we love you today, Alan?
Yeah.
We love you.
He's somewhere in Europe right now. Amsterdam. He has an event with a client on
Amsterdam?
Saturday morning in Amsterdam.
Oh wow, very cool.
So, yes.
Okay,
And this is
so-
Friday morning in Palm Springs. So anyway, Scotty's doing a little magical fun time here. Ooh, yeah, slide it in. Slide it in. Oh, look at that. I think he's done this before.
Yeah, these are. I mean, don't get me wrong. I love the quality of what we got. They're amazing.
They're always a battle.
They truly are.
Remember when we did Barry's Cadillac?
Oh God, yes.
We did the trans lines and the AC compressor at the same time on the Cadillac. Remember that? And it was like in record time.
Nightmare. But it worked out really good.
So, all right, Scott's got one in, and of course, this is easier with no oil pan on the motor either.
Oh yeah.
So,
Okay,
this is definitely the time to be doing this. Scotty, there's greasy things there, and your
I just washed and did my hair.
long flowing
I looked
locks.
fabulous this morning.
No, when I saw you at like 7:03 when I came over for coffee, you look
I
you
looked
look
death warmed
you
over.
look like a truck just hit you.
Yep. There we go.
All right, Scotty's.
So that one's in. Well,
It's where it's supposed
per
to
se.
be. Yeah, it's in its landing zone.
This is going to be a nightmare.
I can support. I'm an emotional support animal. You know what we need to do today, Scotty? I mean, you'll probably get mad at me for suggesting this, especially suggesting it on camera. We should do a video. Just anonymously.
I didn't think you went to that side of the internet.
Not that. No! Get your mind out of the gutter. Not even the gutter. You're in the damn sewer. You're down there with the...
You drove the bus to drop me off. I don't want to hear...
You're down there with that damn clown with the balloon. Anyway. We should do a video on the different types of clients we have and how some of them treat us differently than others when we treat them all the same.
I don't think that would be a good idea.
You don't think that's a good
Nope,
idea?
not at all.
What if I did it by myself anyway because I got angry?
I will beat you. And it will not be in a fashion that you like. Because...
See, I had to bounce it off of Scotty because he's the voice of reason.
Yeah, I'm the voice of reason.
Well, you know.
Figure that one out.
I'm the voice of rhythm and blues.
I don't know if I know that far. You're the voice of something or another, but I don't want to know, I don't know what.
Incoherent, drunken rambling?
Well, we both do that.
Yes, especially if you're mixing drinks.
Yeah.
Anyway, back to the topic at hand. You've just watched Scotty get the other trans cooler line pretty much in the car. Now he's going to walk him around. Oh. Wow, Scotty. All that fighting it from this side, you could have stuck it in this side and been done.
Okay, so we're going to do the back one first, ladies and gentlemen.
If we made blooper reels?
Oh, this would be one of them.
Yeah.
Okay,
we should probably do one.
The problem now is, because this was the issue in the first place, is I've got to get it over the module.
Modulator? Vacuum modulator?
To get behind the other line that we don't have to replace. To get it to go in its place.
Yes, that other hard line, that's the vacuum
and
line.
Miss here, here, and here. It almost simultaneously.
Yeah. And if the pan was in this,
forget
forget it.
There's no way.
You're pulling the motor to do this. So this is the time. Because frankly, if the old ones came out, then the new one will obviously go in.
Right.
Because it didn't take any prying or beating or...
No, surprisingly. I mean, just...
Crying.
Well, there was some crying, but that's mostly because, you know...
A couple cocktails.
Yeah.
All right. Well, we'll check back in momentarily. Thank you, Scotty.
You're welcome.
What up?
Attempting to get this... I don't know if you can see in there.
Oh, yeah, that's going to be real fun to start.
I think I've got it started. But now I'm lucky if I get a 30 seconds of a turn.
Ah, yeah, that's so
So
fun.
it's going to be just to get that. And I can't afford to even bump the line because I think I barely got one thread on it.
You want to hold that and I'll reach up there and try to get it?
You can't. I can't even get both my hands in there.
Okay,
I
you
can
wanna
barely
hold it
get
and I'll do the
a
wrench?
finger.
You want to hold it and I'll do the wrench?
Oh, no, it's one of those I need light and I need to, because it's in, out, literally. Turn, flip, in, out, turn, flip. Because the line goes into the transmission that's right here and I can't afford to break the line.
Yeah, don't break things. All right.
Well, now you see what we're dealing with, people.
Yep, this stuff takes forever.
Yep.
But it's going to be nice when it's done.
Yeah.
Hi, Scotty.
So,
I see your end up there.
all right, so we're going to...
I see
We're
you're
gonna do this.
fighting it.
I couldn't figure out why it's been giving me such...
Pain in the ass.
Yeah. An absolute nightmare of a time to try and get it taken care of.
Okay. Well then.
The wrong line.
And this was ordered for this car. I bet you that length is right. And if I get the bender, I can...
Well, the only problem is we'd have to make a completely new bend for that area.
Yeah, but I think I can get this to work. You know what I'm saying, homie?
Well, whoever we ordered it from...
Well, Alan ordered it for us.
Okay, so we need to get a hold of Alan.
I will. I'll send him a picture right now.
Send him a picture and go, hey, by the way, I think... I could be spitballing here, but I think we got the wrong line. And yes, I'm being facetious.
Feces? Poopy? Scotty have to go poop. Scotty need a nap. Anyway, alright, so we get to play match game, match game, match game, match game. That's like Batman, but
Match Game PM. Brought to you by Dick Rayburn.
your dick's doing
That was
what?
the name of the host.
Oh, I was like, you're doing what with the who?
Yeah, Dick Rayburn.
Alright. A little television history with Scotty.